Today we're going to be focusing on our big hand. So I'm going to show you what our big hand represents. Let's focus on this half of our clock. As you can see, we have 5 minutes here. I'm going to leave my little hand at 12 so that it is 12 o'clock still. Our hour does not change. Let's move this now to represent 5. When our big hand goes to the first number 1, the minutes equal 5 minutes. Let's continue the pattern. When I move my big hand to 2, the minutes equal 10 minutes. So 10 minutes have gone by in the hour of 12. And we can write that in digital form as 12:10. Let's continue on. Now, as we can see, our big hand, the blue hand, is at 3. Let's just change our hour. So our hour is now at 2 and our minutes are at 15. The time is 2:15. Let's continue this pattern. As you can see, our big hand has now moved to 4, so 20 minutes have gone by in our hour. So we're going to change this 15 now. If you notice the connection, we're adding 5 each time and we're going to change it to 2:20. Let's go again. When our big hand reaches 5, 25 minutes have gone by. So we would change this value to 25 minutes. 25 minutes have gone by in the hour of 2, or in the second hour of the day. Let's now change our hour value and move our big hand to 6. When we are moving our hour hand and our minute hand, once the minute has gone halfway through the circle, our little hand also moves halfway through our circle, a lot slower than the big hand. The minute hand is moving a lot faster than our hour hand. Right now, our hour hand is halfway between 9 and 10. And that also indicates that we are halfway through our circle. If we remember from our measure, we have 1/2 on this side and 1/2 on this side. Therefore, we are halfway through the hour and we call this half of an hour. Let's fix our time here. And so, when our big hand reaches 6, 30 minutes have gone by. We're still at the hour of 9, so let's correct this. 9 o'clock, 30, as specified here. And let's write that down here. Okay, let's go through what we learned. When our big hand is at 1, 5 minutes have gone by in the hour. When our big hand reaches 2, 10 minutes have gone by in the hour. When the big hand reaches 3, 15 minutes have gone by in our hour. When the big hand reaches 4, 20 minutes have gone by in our hour. And as you can see, our little hand is also moving towards that halfway mark. Once we get to 6, it'll move to halfway between 9 and 10. And the same if it was any other hour. Here we see our big hand has reached 5. So 25 minutes have gone by in the hour of 9, as you can see here. And finally, let's look at what happens when our big hand moves to 6. When our big hand moves to 6, 30 minutes have gone by in our hour. The time now is 9:30, is halfway between 9 and 10. If 30 minutes is a half an hour, how much is a whole hour? So if 30 minutes is half, then this must be 30 minutes. Therefore, in each hour, once our big hand moves to 12, another 30 minutes have gone by. We've reached a new hour, the hour of 10, and now the whole process starts again. 60 minutes in an hour. So when our big hand reaches 3, we can say 12:15, and when our big hand reaches 6, we can say 12:30.